Sending encrypted email. To create an encrypted email, start a new text quip. Before you can send and receive encrypted email, there are two simple steps you need to take. Open Options on the Encrypt email menu and tell Spartan whether you'll be using an installed email client or webmail. 2. Open Correspondence on the Encrypt emails menu and type in the email address of your correspondent together with the password which you have agreed between you to use. If you wish to use different passwords for different correspondents, there is space to enter several here. Type in your message. As an example, I'll just use an address. Now click Encrypt. Spartan tells you that your encryption is on the clipboard and opens your email. I enter a subject and paste in the encryption from the clipboard. I add any plain text I wish to include in the email, either after or before the encrypted message. And click Send. When the email arrives, just select All and copy. Spartan captures the clip, right-click and edit. Pull down the Encrypt email menu and select Decrypt. That's it. If the message does not fully decrypt, this is because the encrypted message was word wrapped by the editor. Click the Undo button followed by the word wrap button, then decrypt again.